Oh, we're going to pretend I haven't already recorded this and all of the sounds didn't pick up because the microphone didn't actually pick up. But when I recorded it originally, there was a ton of banging, like a ton of noise going on. And so I had to have the microphone on and it didn't work. So I recorded all of this with no sound. So we're doing it again. So let's pretend. Right, howdy. If you don't already know, apart from London Creative, I've got second channel, London Creative Out and About, which is usually myself and Tora and the kicking machine down here, the dog, Solo, out and about, wandering around in and around London, going to parks, sometimes exhibitions, museums, whatever, and lots of walks. But if you saw a video the other day, you'll know that we also have recently been elsewhere, in a bigger adventure. We've been to Korea and Japan. And so this video is more about that stuff over there, the other stuff. So this is all about how I've changed the graphics for the intro titles for the videos that will be coming up soon to share and show you our adventures in Korea and Japan. So, you've just seen the graphics that appear on this channel. And if you're not already a subscriber to London Creative Out and About, which is the link up there, the graphics are pretty much the same. They've just got an Out and About bit. But what I wanted to do was make a different graphic for the Korea and Japan videos. So the idea is take the original graphics and then I'm going to add a plane flying over the top of the cityscape, fill in the view, and then what's left behind is the new cityscape of Korea, Seoul, or Japan, Tokyo. Originally I was going to do each location, but we'll just go with two. So I have an iPad and I had a graphic which I made for the London one, which is geographically correct, where I actually made that original graphic, which I then put on t-shirts, and I had it up for sale on Teespring. Not that anyone ever bought it, but it is geographically correct, i.e. Tower Bridge is in the east and Big Ben is in the west, and usually you see these symbols and these graphics of London and everything is all mishmashed and all wrong, and it always annoys me. So with that in mind, I've done the same again. If you look on here, the graphics that I found, they're not geographically correct. So with that in mind, I wanted to make sure I got it right and did it properly. So what I've done is went into Google and I've picked out the most iconic locations in Seoul. I've bookmarked them with love hearts. And then I went and I've gone to the Lotte World Hotel, the K-pop Square, Bongunsa Temple, and I've gone from the east to the west as if I'm standing down in Gunpo and looking north. So I've saved all of the pictures of all the locations and then I've put them onto Procreate. I've stacked them up in the right order and I'm going to draw them. So now if I'm standing at Gratian Park on the hill looking at the city, I would see the city from east to west, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 iconic landmarks. That's the first one. That's the Lotte World. And that's going over there, like that. Next will be K-pop Square. Image of K-pop Square. Next is, we'll go, no, they're close together, so there we go, we've got 3. that's the Seoul Skyline. There's a car alarm going off. Rain. There's someone blasting their television. There's a washing machine going off. The rain's got rid of the stupid screaming kids. Hi Solo, what's the matter? You can't go out just yet. The clock stopped. I just realised that. This is what the original Skyline looked like. Doesn't look like that at all. So we're going to get rid of that. Add a new layer. And I'm going to merge all of these. Turn the opacity down on that. Get a nice sharp pencil. Clean sketch. And set about drawing these in. Okay, now we are here. I'm going to use iMovie instead of CapCut to do this, simply because it's much more basic. First off, I'm going to add some sort of background. Use the usual one. Dump that in there. Maybe 2 seconds like that. Okay, there's my video. And I'm going to like that, and I need the sound of an aeroplane. Transportation, elbow, airplane. Onto there. I want some electronic sort of noise. It's easily done. First thing I found. I might slow that down a little bit. So you usually use this. Put that in between there. Put that up to there. Fade that in. Don't like that. Too early. And that is pretty simply done using the most basic editing software. One iPad, one laptop, and a lot of backwards and forwards, and a lot of drawing, and we finally got there. What do you think? Is it suitable? Does it work? It'll do, won't it? So yeah, if you want to see those graphics in use at the start of the upcoming videos, then do go over to London Creative Out and About, which is linked, well, it'll be down below now because it was linked at the beginning of the video. Hit subscribe on that channel, and while you're at it, you might as well hit subscribe here. We've hit 200 subscribers. Now we've just got to keep it going and get up to 1,000. So if you're not already, do hit subscribe, leave me comments down below and give this a thumbs up. And also share this video with someone if they want to know how to do graphics or something like that. Come back next time to see more content related to my trip and probably some other stuff that's not related to the trip as well, as I get back into doing more crafting and creating stuff. There'll be some flow art soon, which might tie into the Korean thing. There's still got to build Osaka Castle, and I've still got to finish painting all of the Space Marines, the batch painting, which has just taken forever and has been put on hold. So if you like all of those sort of things and you want to see more in London being creative, then hit subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye. Been kicked. Sorry, someone's got a tough dot there. Yeah. Bongsu Temple, which is really cool, and we'll get to that. If you watch the videos, which will be up, and these everything. This, the palace, named because Gyeongbokgung. My Korean is terrible. I'm sorry. It's got better. I managed to order food in the airport all in Korean. I'm still impressed by that. Granted, it was Han burger and Han veggie burger, but hello, my dog. Okay. And Solo knocks the laptop, the stand, into a private. It's like a pre-requirement. It's like she has to come in and knock the stand in order to make sure that everybody knows that Solo's here.